Welcome to another Spreadsheeters video guide. You can find written instructions for these steps on the Spreadsheeters website. In this video, we'll see how to highlight empty cells in Excel. When you have a large data set in which some of the cells are empty, it may not be immediately apparent which cells are empty. By highlighting these empty cells, which is by changing the background color, it gives us some kind of a visual clue as to how many empty cells there are and where all they appear in a worksheet. So this is very useful when you're trying to clean data and you're trying to identify where the values are missing. So when the cells are highlighted, it'll be easier for you to locate the cells and then decide how to handle them. So to do this, we will use a tool called conditional formatting in Excel, which is a very useful tool. This formats cells based on their value, and you can define a rule that determines how the values to be evaluated and what kind of format to apply. So in this case, I have a data set in which there are some empty cells, but since these numbers are quite large, it's not very easy to find the empty cells. So I will select the whole sheet by clicking the top left corner, and then under conditional formatting, go to new rule. And here I will say format only cells that contain, and under the description I will mention blanks. So I want to format only those cells that are blank or empty, and I will choose the color to format with by going to fill and selecting the color I want and saying OK. So when this is done, at once all the empty cells are highlighted, and this now makes it much easier for me to find out which values are missing. This is how to highlight empty cells in Excel. Please read the appended article for further guidance.